ass. But seriously, Uncle Clint, I hope I'm in camera frame. Uncle Clint left us his shop to use because it's raining the day after Christmas. He knows I want to get this cracking. Can't do it in the rain. So now I got to grind down all this bull crap so he can help me weld. So that's what we're doing.
A few moments later. Later.
Today we're going to cut up this $400 Weischer Sport German Volkswagen strut tower bar that I can't use on my car that I've owned for 2 years. And we're going to turn it into go-kart parts. Expensive.
Too short.
It'll fit in there somewhere.
Yeah, it'll fit right here.
Yeah, probably right where my ass is going to be, where all the weight's going to be, so that's cool.
I need to take it and measure it out one day. Yeah, about a quarter inch down.
You know what the #1 comment on this video is going to be? Why are you welding through paint, stupid? I promise you, even if people like this video, they're going to be like, why are you welding through paint? I can't weld for shit.
Yeah, you tell them I said
Alright, so I'm going to try and speak up because we got the furnace on in here, but you can see it's welded up-ish. Got to do some grinding. Got these chromoly supports in the side, on both sides. It'll get prettier, but that's a 10-inch stretch on the Yerf Dog 3203. And I just hung all 220 pounds of my weight off just this one side, and this thing does not budge, not a nanometer. So once we get it all ground down, it should be cool beans. And then we're going to work on extending all this steering and all this. I didn't bring everything over to Uncle Clint's to get it done with like a dum-dum. I thought I grabbed everything, but we got this bent up tie rod, so we got these sorted, so I don't got to pay $116 to get these bad boys over here anymore. It is stretched 10 inches. The seat still moves. I am super happy with it. I can't wait to grind it down, strip the paint, and really make it look a little bit better. Alright, so we're about to leave Clint's. That's the most we could do. I didn't bring the steering rod with me, so we couldn't finish up the steering, but the frame is all welded up. And we got the chromoly supports from my wide sport Volkswagen strut tower bar added into it, so it is super strong. I hung all my weight off that thing and it does not budge at all. So now we got to knock down the welds and make them a little bit prettier, sort out the steering, sort out everything that's bent that we're now finding, and that will at least get it rolling. Now that I don't have to spend the 116 on A-arms, I can go home and basically order the suspension for it. I'm going to get the air shocks, the motorcycle 320cc air shocks, and get a couple nice sets of those. So until next time, later taters. I hope you enjoyed the video.